And so joining us in the studio, Qounfuzed. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm alright. And you?
So, when I heard that Qounfuzed is able to make it to the studio, I was like, okay, now we're in for a party. And something very interesting about you is how you've also slated yourself in the music industry, but you're not based in the country, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me who's Qounfuzed? I think that's the first question that I should ask.
Qounfuzed, real name McDonald Sheldon, Takuma 30 Gogo. I started music 2008 when I was still in high school. Mount Pleasant, Nana Platinum Prince, Nana T-Gons as well.
Platinum Prince is your friend?
Yes, and T-Gons as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? In Mambel? Nice.
Yeah, in Mambel.
At that time, who were your role models? Who did you emulate? Which music were you listening to?
Listening to Rocky, Maskiri, and Leonard Mapfumo.
Rocky can't be that old.
Go and do I got inspired actually, yeah.
Okay, so you then get into it, and then you're like, all right, this is me. I'm in the groove. This is my music. There's always been the question: which genre would you place Qounfuzed?
Okay, I was doing that hip hop like in high school. Then I shifted to dancehall because that's where I was accepted. So I've just been doing dancehall, but with a different vibe now. Yeah.
What do you feel deep down in your bones?
In terms of
dancehall, hip hop, where do you feel that you know what? Regardless of, because what you're saying is that you then aligned yourself to the response of the fans, but deep down inside, which genre are you more inclined to?
I like dancehall, to be honest.
Really?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
then. All right, then. Qounfuzed is in the studio, and you can respond on our WhatsApp platform 0772162651. For now, Qounfuzed, first track that you're going to perform for us?
Okay, I'm going to perform Memories.
Memories?
Yes.
Take it away.
I still remember this spot and I got to spota. Papa kapata glasi rangali mkota. Nakapitali saruti ndova na kutopa. Ukanditi ndine magic kunge Harry Potter. Che ndishi cheta. Shimandara chitamba chaka chuno chakana. Funga zangu chichitendereka. Kakakota man kamba funga. Girl, I can still smell your perfume. Kutasatiri musem memories Wanamanja ndangu sana Nema memories Wanamanja ndangu sana Atamba bata glasi, kutamba bata basi. Kutamba kwa jose, achapenda jasi. Free spirit, wajo kutonga brenda fast. Na jamu moya nkati kumban kanda grande. Kumban can give me one more wine. Better go to talk about one more time. Girl, I can still smell your perfume.
Alright, DJ, give me the next reading, please.
Checking out Qounfuzed on the Breakfast Club on Star FM. And Nikki, I love the memories. I love all your songs, Qounfuzed. Thank you so much for coming through. You know something that is quite interesting? Platinum Prince is here. Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well, thank you. So, you guys have kept in touch over the years and obviously grown together, right? What is the one thing that Qounfuzed you desire as far as your musical career is concerned?
What do I desire?
Yeah.
Well, to go international. I think I just want the whole industry to recognize worldwide.
The whole industry?
Yeah, like the whole music industry.
Explain.
Yeah, okay, like my musicians edu isusu acho ndoda kuti tinge tichitonzwi kwawo kunze uko, just like, you know, how we listen to other artists. Yeah, that's my desire.
If you were to collaborate, who would you collaborate with and say, okay, you know what, this would be my dream collaboration?
I think I'll go for Burna Boy.
Burna Boy.
Yeah. Because I think he's the African giant. He's representing. He's doing what I said I desire. Yeah.
Well, Qounfuzed is in the studio with us, and Qounfuzed is my goat. Nguva is my best track. Okay, I don't know if he's going to perform that one. Big shout out to you, Qounfuzed. I love how you carry the Zim flag across the borders. Do you get props for that often?
Yeah, I do. I do, definitely. Because I feel like one of the most booked like artists internationally in Zimbabwe. Yeah, so I feel like bata flag yo ndichifamba nayo. Nice. Yes.
Nice. All right then. So thanks so much for the messages on the WhatsApp platform. Keep them coming. Qounfuzed is here. Second track that you're going to perform?
I'm just going to perform a rhythm. It's a medley. I'll just be throwing different tunes. So it's called Zimbo Flavor Rhythm.
Let's go.
Burn up, burn up, burn up. DJ Yad Aye. Chiwena capacity, popularity. Vavengi vatarisa pasi kutonge minute ndiriri pana half pasity. Uyapano capacity wachitu wakapenga ndakupata etilasity. Vavengi vangu dididididi nakumanyash mariti mushima dididididi. Plus titegati saka dididididi. Scary, yabasa panetori dididididi. Saka vavengi vangu dididididi nakumanyash mariti mushima dididididi. Scary, rebasa panatori, chunirangurine possibility, capability, ability. Sakanda kuchaja maris notangira pa 150 no time limit, yama minute, nakutinda ko sha infinity.
Give me the next.
Okay.
Rhyme.
Well. Ha. Ichi. Cheros geta basa zine basarei. Well. Ndikakufunga ndinoonda so pale na njuli. Well, moyo wangu umechironda. It's Platinum Prince Saka ndiri kukusua baby. Toka kwa ndiri tikodanana. Ndakataza zveshuwa lady. Life usipano mbofanana. Ndiri kukusua baby. Toka kwa ndiri tikodanana. Ndakataza zveshuwa lady. Life usipano mbofanana. Ndiri lonely chisikana ndinokufunga every day. Ndiri lonely azimbo fire ndeshakuti neta say ehekanai ndakusua ehekanai ndakusua. Ndikati azite zani nditaima azite ime azite zani nditaima azite ndikada kumuguma anonditisha Platinum Prince andizvideni ndingati ndemsikana here ipapa uti kungomuguma anoitasha. Ndichinge ndatadza kukona ndofona ndonzwa izwi rako paunoti I wanna love you ndonzwa izwi rako. Ndichinge ndatadza kukona afona ndinzwa izwi rako paunoti I wanna love you ndonzwa izwi rako. Nekuti ndabuda pachena kungezuwa kwasha wenyu ndauya kutaimira kupedza nguva. Kwasha wenyu ndauya kwasha wenyu ndauya kwasha wenyu ndauya. Pepu yatitangitse one more time zvatakaita musinya. Uyati zvitangitse one more time ndatomirira chiuyaka pakuti dzoko adzokororo ine simba pakuti dzoko adzokororo ine simba. Saka ndikafa nasi handidi kukanganikwa. Ndoda kusiya matsimba zvigozonza papakatsikwa. Ndikafa nasi handidi kukanganikwa neniwo ndoda sando samfana ndoda kupigwa pauri ndine shanje ndikaenda ndodzoka manje chero chichaira chivanze ndenge ndakakuringa ndiri seri kwemushanje
All right.
chero zvikaita basa zvine basa rei
Hakuna ndururani
iri nani
confused yeah. Ndikati mwana kana uripo pepi ndinofara mwana ndoda kukurora pepi tingokara mwana kana uripo pepi ndinofara mwana anyadzi
zvinhu zvese muupenyu zvinotora time zvinhu zvinotora patience inobhadhara zvinhu zvinotora time zvinotora kana ukashingirira zvichaita ne one day zvichaita asi zvinotora.
Alright, ndakumboita muskanzwa.
Okay.
No.
Well.
Caught me off guard. That's not even funny.
Full of
Gaia.
All right. Levels. So jalo. Aweta. Ndangosumudza musoro ngagunga. Gakushaya baby ndaita chipamundamu. Ndobhati baby tanga neku. Tozopedzerana kana wapindamo. Ndangosumudza musoro kana ndakuda kumbono. Ndobhati baby tanga neku.
Okay. Pull up, DJ. Pull up.
So hold on. Somebody says on the WhatsApp platform, can you do his signature? Grr, 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 grr. Hold up. I gotta talk to you. I've got Qounfuzed in the studio, and guess what? His bud, childhood friend, Platinum Prince is here. WhatsApp is going crazy. Thank you so much for the love, the fire emojis. What is the worst comment that you ever had or that you ever received?
Well, when people say Jinenge wapera. But then I feel like music in my phases, in my stages. Sometimes you don't go.
Hold on, I just need to hear this.
Okay.
Are you saying somebody can just walk up to you and say, you're confused or better?
Oh, definitely.
Hey.
Definitely.
Platinum Prince, what is the worst thing that has ever been said?
Yeah, the same thing. Because I feel like people wanna feel like they're entitled to someone's life as long as wazikano.
Yeah,
and that's bad. Because besides music, we also have a life. But someone feels like they can just say anything to you, and if you respond, it's an issue. But they forget that you're human.
How does that make you feel? Confused?
Well, I think it's normal, to be honest. So when someone says something like that, it doesn't really faze me because but maybe it's
Dururani family.
Yeah. For life.
I just have to say that Nikki Simple Flavor, naka aupere ndanzo song kwenino ndawo ichiwo chandaita vabata mabazi vafana vapedzera. I didn't ask you this, Platinum Prince. Let me just ask you, do you learn from each other?
A lot. Like almost 50, let me just say almost 90% of what we do nengeta tombotaurana saka munofana toziva toti pamwe panditori wrong makari involved.
I'll have to say, when I look at the two of you right now, the one who looks like is the naughtiest.
You see? Yeah. I'm quite innocent.
No, I'm actually the one. I learn from him, Muskanzo. Yeah.
I didn't say it. We're getting into the weekend, and there's a song that people want to hear. But anyway, your last song, and we are gonna close it off at 9 o'clock. Just out of interest, how do people get in touch with you guys?
On my side, all my handles, Platinum Prince. And for bookings, the WhatsApp is 0772 519 306.
Confused.
Okay, inini munondoona pa ma Facebook, munondoona pa ma TikTok, Instagram, ndopandobatika. But for bookings, we have a number. It's 0776 275 440.
In 30 seconds, how important is, or what is the use of controversy in a musician's career?
Well, chinobatsira kuti utaurike,
Okay.
maintain relevance, because vanoda nyaya. So sometimes wakatonzwa vachinzi wapera, sometimes it's not really about music. It's about people missing ka aspect kaya kekuti hausikutaurika. Panoda kugara uchitaurika wanzi ningadai. It might be bad, it might be good, but that's sometimes what people want, and that's what people love. People want kumuka pane ma headlines, ne news, ne gossip.
Platinum Prince, Pakambo, not you, sir. Platinum Prince.
Yeah.
Pakambo, pane zvimwe zvakamboitika kuna Maki. Wakamfonera ukati chii? Pane ka video ka Maki wakamfonera ukati chii?
Because I
Wangu.
Okay. Give me a clue. Cause like
Saka bye.
McDonald's ano for ombe almost every day.
Ndi papa wakaora ipa wakanyanya kumtsura wakamudza kuti chii?
Ndamudza kuti next time usatrust vanhu pama video calls.
Full stop. Those are the one. You're signing us out and saying goodbye. Let's go, boys. Let's go. You've got 50 seconds. Let's go.
Musati mafamba nzira itaika muna matoke kupedzisira. Musati mautanga kumbira imatenga kuti vachenese nzira. Kamuna matoke kubawa. Kamuna matoke kubawa. Kamuna matoke kubawa. Kamuna matoke kubawa. One drop me DJ. Imwe munzira zati chafamba nacho, pasazovene chati chasangana nacho, nekuti pamwe pacho patinosangana so, hatisive mepodza tinonongana nacho.
Yeah. So don't forget that Star FM is definitely going to be in Marondera. That is tomorrow, the 16th of August. Godfather Templeman in Dumiso, Sungura versus Zim Dancehall. It's going to be exciting. And of course, would love for you to also be there. Marondera, Dombo Tombo Rank. Thanks so much for tuning in to Star FM, sounding good all the time. It is 9 o'clock and it's time for the news.